talk about the XAT 26 workshop. Okay, now, CAT is getting over. We plan to start with the XAT workshop. My name is Patrick. I have scored rank point twice in XAT, so fairly comfortable with the examination. Been training students for more than 23 years. We have courses on XAT, SNAP, interview training. If you're interested, you can contact us. How is that different from CAT? The biggest difference is decision making. So instead of DLR section, you have decision making. There have been students who have not cleared cutoff for DM. Though they cleared the overall cutoff, they got good marks in quant and verbal, but DM they have not been able to clear the cutoff. So that means the way you approach DM is a little different. You need that practice. So if you're really serious about that, it makes sense to practice DM. Apart from that, there is critical reasoning in verbal, like sort of like that is there in NMAT, a little different, but yes. And a few questions on vocab and grammar. Not much, one or two questions vocab grammar, but yes, critical reasoning RC forms a major part of XAT verbal section. Also, DI in XAT is different and it's part of the con section. One more major difference that comes across is there's no sectional time limit. So strategy, the way you approach the paper makes a huge difference in the way you will score. Right? So it makes an important role as far as possible. So the workshop will be held on first week of December onwards. The online sessions will be post 8 p.m. So some sessions in classroom, Tanya and other, this will be repeated online. So the people who are online students will get the whole sessions online. Some students who want to come to classroom, there will be some session in the classroom, some online. So course duration approximately 15 hours. The focus will be on shortcuts and strategy, how to solve things fast and the strategy of the paper. The course will be conducted by Patrick100. So we have XAT workshop, we have XAT test series, we have also videos for DM and other XAT. So if you're interested, you can contact us. You can call us at 9821314788 or WhatsApp us or email or go visit the website prepare.patrick100.com where you will get the information for the same. If you're writing the MBA Entrance Exam, subscribe to the channel. We'll come up with a lot of videos that will help you with regards to preparation. Thank you.